I'm the queen, I'm the queen, I'm the queen of the surreal. 'Cause reality no longer satisfies me. I can turn your negativity into the smell of a rainy day, and it will feel so real. While you try to figure out what to do, the truth will lie beneath the surreal part of you. So just for tonight, just pause your logic that seems to be drowning